In this video I will show you how to sound record your voice on Windows 11. Firstly, we want to search for Sound Recorder. This app should be automatically installed on your Windows. Here you can record your voice. In the left down area, click on the microphone and choose which microphone you want to use. I'm gonna use this one. Click on these three dots and open settings. Choose the recording format and also select the audio quality. You can also choose here light mode or dark mode. Go back to sound recorder and click here to start recording your voice. I'm gonna test it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my new recording will appear here. Right click this recording and you can rename it here and also show in folder. And you can also speed up this recording. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to remove this recording, right click and click option delete. This was how to sound record your voice. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time.